In this video, I am going to be talking about the Pix Backpack. I saw it at CES 2020, so you can use it to display certain things like scrolling text, pixel art, logos, and you kind of get the idea. So this backpack might seem like a weird idea, but it's also a fun way to express yourself, especially if you're going to parties or events. During CES, I saw some people walking around with this bag, and they had their Instagram handle on the bag, they had the little logo on it, and they had the little iPhone emoji on it. So it was fun to see some people using it like that. The backpack is available right now on Amazon for $259, and there's a new model called the Pix Mini backpack, and that one is going to be $159, but you can pre-order it on Indiegogo for $89. And the Pix Mini backpack is pretty much the same thing as the regular one, just a little bit smaller and in different colors, but it still has the same functionality. You can control everything with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Doesn't matter if it's iOS or Android, it works the same way, and you can use it to draw pixel art, and then like I said before, you can upload your logo, or you can put text on it, or play games. It's water resistant, and you can fit your laptop in it, and it charges with USB. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the Pix Backpack and the Pix Mini Backpack. I'm also curious to know, what would you put on it?